The Northwest University, making a positive impact by sharing our expertise. Today we live in a world that is always on. Naturally, this brings a new dimension to the way we interact with one another and the ease with which today's society feels free to question the role of public institutions. Currently, there is increased questioning of the role of universities as public institutions and transmitters of culture, learning, and independent thought. Additional questions are: what is understood as an engaged university? Who is the community? How do we define this thing called community engagement? The Northwest University uses the term sharing of expertise as an overarching term to describe its research, innovation, and teaching learning activities in our communities. Our communities range from internal, such as our staff and students, to external communities in both public and private sectors globally. With close to 200 projects, the Northwest University has taken up the challenge to integrate community engagement into the core functions of the institution in order to make a positive impact. Fundamentally, universities are required to produce knowledge and advance our understanding of the world, and on that basis intervene by collaborating with key stakeholders to make the world a better place. Following that, cultivate and disseminate knowledge in order to form critical and inquiring minds by producing knowledgeable and competent skilled graduates. Being proactive in engaging with all levels of society at an intellectual and cultural level. During the engagement process, we have many parts to play. In some cases, the need for interventions may be identified as a result of research findings or observations from the Northwest University, or by external parties to assist with specific issues where we could play a contributing role. We aim to use the processes of education and research to respond to, serve, and strengthen our communities for local and global citizenship. We, the Northwest University, have a responsibility to participate actively in the democratic process and to empower and enable those less privileged. We integrate community engagement with teaching, learning, and research in such a way that the process of engagement will promote the development of student attributes through reciprocal partnerships between Northwest University and its external community. Our intent is to create new knowledge that will influence policy, contribute towards social justice, and address South Africa's developmental challenges. Overall, it's about personal voluntary civil service, but mostly about understanding and responsible community engagement. We are not only building a better university, but also helping to build a better South Africa. It all starts at the Northwest University.